Okay, come on. All right, we are here at One Hung Mall. Always very busy, and looks like we got a lot of Christmas decorations here already. So let's go inside, check it out. It's a rainy day, and so we took a Grab here instead of riding here. Although we usually don't ride here because we're gonna do some shopping for this Sunday, and which is a kind of a fundraiser food fair, and we're going to cook spaghetti. So we're going to come here and try and do some shopping, see what happens. This mall is always busy. For some reason, this is probably in the center of town or something, and this mall always exciting to come because there's always a lot of people. Well, there are a lot of nets here if you notice, and some disguised as Christmas tree, some not. And from what we understand, there's been several cases of young people jumping off the top floor and basically suicide. So now they have this net here to kind of deter that from happening. It's nice, but sad to hear what's going on here. Even this middle part, which does not look like they do have it, but they do. Right here, just a net across. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floor, and actually over there is 7th floor. So from what we understand, there's been a few incidents here. Now it's raining cats and dogs, but the lady is hungry and she wants to go eat Nam Nung. So we are going to brave the rain, and wow, this is serious stuff. But the shop is right there. Hả? Yep, 我都叫你唔好着嗰對鞋。Well, what do you want to do? 行啦，唔緊要啦，你遮住你對靚鞋啦。到呢度攝到呢度。Yeah， 唔係好遠啫，過條馬路。All right, we are crossing the street. Hopefully we don't get stuck in traffic. Wow, it's coming down really, really hard. I think we should wait a few minutes.
Okay, wait.
Well, this was very slow, so just now there was a motorbike that kind of slowly fell down, so just step out in the rain to help them get up. So we're all wet, but we managed to cross the street, and now we are sitting down at the restaurant. What we're having is Nam Nung, Nha Trang, and then Chả Giò. Alright, so this is our dinner. Lots of veg. Pickle root vegetable, the dipping sauce, fish sauce, Nam Nung, and bún, which is rice noodle, and then we have egg rolls coming. So this one consists of unripe mango, lettuce, cucumber, and then you have rice paper. Alrighty, time to eat. Done with the food. Total bill is $131,000, which is about $5 for two of us, including an order of Nam Nung, an order of Chả Giò, which is spring roll, and then a cup of iced tea. So $5 for all that. Now we are going back over to the mall to do shopping. Walking among the motorbikes. Back to the mall. After dinner shopping, just here at the supermarket, Co-op Mart, to buy a bunch of stuff we need for Sunday, to cook spaghetti for the fundraiser, and then just pick up a bunch of knickknacks. They got a lot of stuff here, so, and prices are quite good. So, and sometimes it's just more convenient to find everything in one place than to go all over the place, buy a little bit of this, buy a little bit of that, all that kind of stuff. So here's what we have. Even got some instant noodles, some spaghetti sauce, spaghetti. We'll buy some tomato and onions also in the market, and also at some point we'll have to buy beef, ground beef. That's tomato here, but that's not what we're looking for. Let's check out the meat section to see if they have ground beef and what it looks like. Don't want to buy too early. Let's see, it's 107,000 a kg, about $4 a kg. Oh wait, that's not beef, that's pork. That is also pork. Where's the beef? I don't think they have ground beef here. Well, let's see if they have ground beef. Pork. Pork. A lot of pork stuff, not a lot of beef stuff here. Oh, there's some beef, but it's not ground beef. Well, we'll just have to hunt for it. I know that at Aeon they have, tit ball. Look, that is ground pork, Australian ground beef. What's the cost here? That's half a pound. Half a pound for how much? Hard to tell. There's no price on here. That's pork. Oh, 95,000. So it's $4, $8 a pound. 250 grams. Yep, $8 a pound. Which is, I think, more than Aeon. Although this is expensive because it's probably Australian beef, and so and they don't have a lot here either. They have like they have maybe 3 half-pound packets. So I guess we should buy whatever we can in case we don't find it. That's chicken. Worst come to worst, we'll have to go to Aeon to buy them. but there's also a place, a co-op mart close to our house. So, or we can also buy Italian sausage. So, and that is pork. How do I know? Because I can read. Oh well. Alrighty. This guy.
Tìm được hả?
Some noise here.
Ở đây nè, rất là cẩn thận. Ai cũng
Trồng vô không biết đón chị
mình đứng ai cũng đứng ở đây chờ xe hết á. Thấy không? Cả nhóm ở đây nè. Cái mo này chỉ là cái cổng này thôi.
Là có nhiều người ta đặt xe mà người ta chưa có ra đằng trước á.
Mình không có vậy đâu, mình là
xác nhận người ta ra đằng trước rồi bắt đầu em mới gần tới vô tới thì em gọi cái nữa.
Mình tưởng là em không biết cái chỗ này
dễ đón chứ đừng có công vô đây đứng chờ có.
Đúng rồi, mình biết
bị ví dụ đó.
Mình không có chơi cái kiểu này đâu. Mình đứng là chờ không à.
Nhiều người còn ở trong mà người ta đặt trước, người ta trừ hao sớm quá ra không kịp.